friends, we came to Bodakonda Waterfalls and those are monkeys. So let's explore.
So friends, let me tell you how we are going. All of my friends gathered at LB Nagar and we are going through scooties and also bikes. So from LB Nagar it's approximately 48 kilometers, and in between we have enjoyed this beautiful nature and also this monsoon ride. We stopped at a point to have breakfast and I'm going to show you my friends. They are very shy people and they are hiding their faces. I don't know why. After that we had this hot sambar idli. And again we started our journey. Actually I found a way more beautiful this journey than the destination. Going on road trips is always a nice and refreshing experience. It gives us much needed break from our daily hectic routine and allows us to relax. That's why I like the road trips. As I can say, of course, a road trip has its challenges. Long hours on the roads can be tiring and you may face unexpected delays. But it's important to plan ahead and make sure you have everything you needed, such as maps, snacks and emergency supplies. Despite these challenges, a road trip can be one. After coming this much long, we got to know that there is no water in the waterfall. But we got to see these beautiful mountains covered with greenery and there is lots of peace here. If it rains heavily, the water flows from these rocks. So this is basically the rocks from where the water falls down. So that's why it's a waterfall, but there is a little amount of water which is falling. So we enjoyed in that only.
Came to waterfalls, but there is no water.
On the way coming back, we found a small river which is giving cool breeze. So we spent a little time here and we returned to our home. So if you like this vlog, please like, share and subscribe for more such content. Bye bye, take care.